Hello everyone. In today's video, I am going to show you how to present your team using the Morph transition in PowerPoint. Whether you are introducing your team in a business presentation or showcasing a group for an event, using Morph will make it look professional. So let's start the video. Go to View tab and click on Slide Master. Select them and delete them. Click on Insert Placeholder and select Picture. Drag it like this. Duplicate 3 and distribute horizontally. Next, right-click and select Duplicate Layout. Enlarge the picture placeholder for the team member to be spotlighted. This will highlight the first member of the team. Then duplicate the slide again and highlight the second member. Now highlight the rest of the team members in the same way. Close the Slide Master View by clicking on Close Master View. Now select all your slides from New Slide. Go to first slide and click icon to add picture. For example, here I have downloaded some pictures from Google. Select and insert. Let's add the rest of the pictures in this way. And also add the spotlight member name. Follow the same process for the rest of the team members. Duplicate the first slide and move it to number 6. Now select all slides. Go to the Transition tab and apply a Morph transition. This will create a smooth zoom effect on particular team member. Increase the duration a bit. Go to the first slide and click on Slide Show. Using Morph animation and Slide Master in PowerPoint, you can present like a team pro. This method keeps your slide consistent and professional, while creating an impressive animation effect with minimal effort. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.